In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account. Then next in the left panel, click on automations. Then next is click on choose flow template. Now from here, scroll down and look for the find and welcome new contacts section. Then click on welcome new contacts template depending on your template options. As you can see, this is a pre-made template automation that you can use and customize instantly. So to use this, click on use this flow and the starting point is set to contact sign-ups to your audience. And for the next step, once the trigger has been done, an email will then be generated. Now here, all you have to do is click on this email and customize the contents. Just click on select a template to start designing your welcome message. Make sure that you customize the email with your branding, with a friendly greeting and helpful links like your website or special offer. And once done, click on close. And lastly, make sure that you turn on the automation and from there every new subscriber will now automatically receive your welcome email. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!